I'm in my favorite city in Ukraine, the city of Nikolaev. I can't possibly put into words how relaxed and at home I feel. Just to look over my shoulder at the number of beautiful women that came out tonight. I think we have over 350 women who are in the room right now. And it's a social environment that is just perfect for creating something really, really special. This is what I came for. This is what I need. There will be relationships that are created tonight. Undoubtedly, there will be a few that are life-defining. I just wanted to share the energy and the buzz in this beautiful environment with you.